God gave me a message for you today from the Book of Proverbs chapter 19 verse 8. When I tell you saying wake me up with the message, because this was not what I was going to talk about. But in tell me if you tell you say your breakthrough a come and it close. He say from the Book of Proverbs chapter 19 verse 8, he that giveth getteth wisdom love his own soul, and he that keepeth understanding shall find good. When mean he say hold it close to your heart. He say what must say to you is the understanding and the wisdom when give to me. If he tell you, he say keep praying, keep pushing, keep seeking until the place where your tears fell has given birth to your reward. God see every prayer. Him see every teardrop, cause when he tell me this, I jump up. He said even when nothing feel like it's not moving, he's working behind the scenes. The waiting season where you're in it not gone to waste. God, I gotta build something for you, build something greater. That's what he's doing. Him tell me if he tell you. So keep praying, keep pushing. Cause the same place where you cry, I gonna be the same place where your breakthrough come true. So please, my friend, hold on. If you like this message, comment. If you like this message, what I'm saying to you, please comment, like, share, and follow for more messages like this. God want me to tell you saying love you, and so do I. Peace.